The partition of India in 1947 forced Hindu Sindhis to leave their ancestral homeland in Sindh and migrate to newly independent India. Arriving with little more than resilience and determination, they faced immense challenges: displacement, the loss of property, and the daunting task of rebuilding their lives from scratch.
My father used to tell us they migrated from Sindh in 1947. He participated in freedom movement of India and he was the follower of Mahatma Gandhi.
Our father, when he came to India, he was just 7 or 8 years old. He lost his father and struggling he was doing. And when he came to Jaipur and he was selling tea.
With the support of the Government of India and local communities, Sindhis gradually established themselves across different regions of the country. Over time, they didn't just adapt, they flourished. Their entrepreneurial spirit led to remarkable success in trade, retail, manufacturing, and services. Their philanthropic efforts gave rise to hospitals, schools, colleges, and community centers, institutions that continue to serve millions today.
Now our family is well settled with all political and constitutional rights of our country.
Their cultural identity also found national recognition. In 1967, through the 21st Amendment Act, the Sindhi language was added to the 8th schedule of the Indian Constitution, officially making it one of India's recognized languages. Today, Hindu Sindhis stand as a vibrant and dynamic community, living in harmony with others and enjoying equal political, economic, and social rights.
My father and whole Sindhi community created a good life with their hard working.
From displacement to prosperity, from loss to contribution, the journey of Sindhis in India is not just a community story, but a powerful reminder of resilience, perseverance, and the ability to turn struggle into strength.